Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make strawberry rhubarb, okay? So first what you need to do is make the Baker's Basic Cake Mix. You just get this packet or you use the bowl, dump it in a cereal bowl, and as you know, all the mixes are 1/4 cup mix, 1/4 cup egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, there's my yogurt. I am going to mix this and microwave it for 2 minutes. And while this is warming up, I'm going to show you how to make the rhubarb. Hold on. Okay, so while that's cooking, what we did here is we got 2 cups of chopped rhubarb. Now it made a lot more than this, okay? You need to put it in like a bigger bowl, but my bowl was just messy, so I put it in here. So you need 2 cups of rhubarb, 2 cups of strawberries, and then 1/2 cup sweetie. That's it. And you mix it up, stick it in the microwave. Did you use fresh or frozen strawberries?
They were fresh.
Fresh.
You could use frozen.
You could use frozen too, okay? So again, 2 cups rhubarb, 2 cups strawberries, 1/2 cup sweetie. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then it turns out like this. This is so good. If you love sweet and sour, you're gonna love this. And then you just pour this over the Baker's Basic Cake Mix, and you have delicious strawberry rhubarb, okay? And it's not a ton of calories, it's not a ton of carbs, it's full of protein, it's gonna get you healthy, and you're gonna lose weight. We have got a few more seconds on there, so we're just gonna wait and delete this part of the video when we upload the new one. Why don't you guys all say hi for a second?
Do the wave.
Can
you guys do the wave?
Online.
Okay, that wave is fine.
Yeah.
You don't have to do the wave.
Yeah.
Do the wave,
So-
AJ. Can you do it by yourself? There you go.
You did it.
Grace would never have done that. That's why you came today.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
right. But yeah, guys, I love doing this, coming up with all, and again, these recipes all come from customers. They're much more creative than I am, so I thank God for my customers. We're almost done. Yep. Here you go. See how the cake turned out? It's beautiful. And again, guys, all the mixes, that's all you gotta do to them. Just stick them in the microwave. Now we're gonna plate it. Okay. Ooh. See how hot that is? And all I'm gonna do is pour this over it. And you got delicious strawberry rhubarb. And I'm gonna add some whipped cream on top of it. There. Strawberry rhubarb, guys. That's all protein. It's not all sugar and carbs, it's all protein. The only sugar that's in here is a little bit of strawberries that we put in it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and check out recipes, testimonies. You can shop online, you can do whatever you want. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of us there too. God bless you.